Yes, it's me again. Don't worry. This is the last offer that you're actually going to see here from me. So there's no other offers here that you're going to see from me. This is the last offer, but it is truly an amazing offer. I'm offering you right now for one low fee to actually become the CEO of your very own SaaS software firm. Now, you're not going to have to actually spend, thousands of dollars like I did. You're not going to have to wait months of time like I did to build this software. Literally, with the click of a button, you'll become the CEO of your own SaaS software company. So if you take this offer right here, you're going to get the Mad Ader software white labeled to you under your brand. You're going to get access to our white label portal where you'll be able to actually not just manage your users through, a manual process or an automated process where you can add them, delete them, suspend them, unsuspend them, but you can also even start your own partner program, kind of like the one that you just signed up with for me. You can even start your own partner program and manage all your partners inside your white label dashboard. So you're going to get unlimited accounts on the software, unlimited partners on the actual software. You're going to get the Mad Ader actually white labeled to you under your brand where it's your actual software. And you'll be able to use your software accounts as lead magnets. You'll be able to offer them as bonuses to your offers. You'll be able to outright sell them and keep 100% of the revenue. And again, you can even start your own partner program and bring in partners and have your partners go out and get people using your software and build your brand for you. So you can see, again, it is an obnoxious, a ridiculously low price for you to actually white label this software and become the CEO of your very own software with just the click of a button. So if you're interested, click the button below that says yes. You can see the very low monthly fee that you're going to pay. If you're not interested, just click the thing that says you're not interested and just know that you won't be able to sign up for this later if you change your mind.